Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce a new product into the solar industry, that is solar fencing energizer. We already know that solar fencing energizer is used to protect our crop or as the property from theft as well as some animals. So here this is the new technology and we are introducing the system in such a way that it is going to boom everyone, and it is extraordinary product in the solar industry, and let me show you how it looks like. This is the product what we are discussing with. This is the extraordinary product, and the main specialty of this product is we can operate this energizer without mobile phones. Yes, you heard it right. We can operate the complete solar the fencing with our mobile phone. It's very simple that if you are having a smartphone with you or it's a normal phone where you can install one SIM card in it, and the SIM card is being actually set up in the system, and through that system you can just do some text message process by which you can on as well as off the system. So previously when we are using the solar systems, there should be someone who has to enter the field and he or she has to on it and off. But now due to this technology, it became very convenient for us that from far away distance also we can on it and we can off it. Here I will just show you the complete demo lively so that you can also get the exact working of the system. Yeah, let me show you practically how it works. So firstly we have to get into the messages, and in that we have to text message as on to the number which is there inside the system. You can keep system, you can use the SIM card of whatever it is preferable. Wherever you are keeping the system, you have to make sure that network is proper. And here according to our network issues, we have selected Airtel SIM card, and now I'm sending the message, and the message prompt is like on and I'm just sending it to it. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can see the system is on now. So within 6 seconds it is going to on, and there's the same way we can also off it, and the command for the off is like OFF, and now I'm offing the system. You can see that also how it's going to off, and yeah, I have sent it. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's off. So this is how it works, and it's a new technology in the solar industry, and we SS Power Solutions are the manufacturers for this extraordinary solar system, and people are not aware of this. But if you know these advantages of this system, crazy by using this system, because it's very portable, so that if you are staying in Delhi or Mumbai, you are going somewhere and your properties are there in Hyderabad, like Kokapet or Gachibowli, where you are having a farmhouse, and if someone is entering your farm without your intervention, and you can easily identify that, and you will get a call also. If someone is holding your solar fencing, you will definitely get a call by which you can identify someone is entering your farm, and you can see through your CC cameras, or else you can call your watchman and make him aware that someone is trying to enter your property. And I will show you that also lively. If someone touches your solar fencing wire, how you are going to get a call. Now let me show you how it works. One of my teammate will come, and he will just show you the operations, how it's going to work. Now he's going to connect, and he's going to show if someone is holding your wires, how the siren will come at the place where the solar system is there. At the same time you are going to get a call, that I will show you. You have got the siren. The siren will be in the place where the system is there, and I am the customer who is away from the place, and I will get a call. You can see I'm getting a call. So you can, if I'm lifting it, just listen how it's.
Please check fencing alarm. Please check fencing alarm. Please check.
It's going to say that please check fencing, because it's showing that someone is entering your property. Make sure that you check the fencing wires. So this is how our system works. And again I'm going to say that it is one of the innovation what we have done from SS Power Solutions. So this is a certified system from MSME, and it has been recognized by MSME, the Government of India. The model number is SSPS 126, and we are very much interested to supply the system whoever is needed. And if you are really interested to have this system in your homes or as the farms, you can contact us to the below's number, and we are ready to assist you. Thank you.